Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Commerce with Namita. I am Namita Mane. In today's video, we are going to solve an example of income from business. This example was asked in SPPU October 2023 examination, subject taxation, class TYBCOM. Income from business examples are useful for MCOM, DTL, even for BBA students. Okay, so we will solve this example. The example is on the screen. Following is the profit and loss account for the business of Mr. Chambu Rao Shinde for the financial year ended on 31st March 2024. So this is the profit and loss account of Mr. Chambu Rao. To the debit side, uh, these are the particulars. To the credit side, these are the particulars. Now salary is given 1,15,000, interest on loan 50,250, advertisement 6,000, to RDD 6,000, fire insurance 5,000, well tax 25,000, office expenses 6,000, income tax provision 6,000, depreciation 40,000, net profit is given 1,74,750. To the credit side, gross profit 3,50,000, interest on bank deposit 6,000, sundry receipt 18,000, gift from mother 60,000. Then there are some additional information, that is a bank loan is taken for business purpose. Depreciation is allowed as per income tax rule rupees 56,250. Then advertisement includes rupees 3,500 as expenses for selling household purpose. Salary includes 10,500 paid for the domestic purpose. You are required to compute taxable income from the business for the assessment year 24-25 as per old regime. Okay, now by this information we have to compute the income from business for Mr. Chamburao Shinde. Okay, now we will compute the income from business of Mr. Chamburao Shinde. So the format for computation is as follows. First, you have to start with net profit. From net profit, you have to add the disallowed expenses. Disallowed expenses are those expenses which are not the part of the business. Those expenses which are used for the personal expenses, those are called as disallowed expenses. All those expenses will be added in the net profit. Okay, and less the income disallowed but credited to profit and loss account. So whatever from this profit and loss account, whatever things which belongs to the business, we will not take in the calculation. The expenses which are not related to the business, like the expenses occur due to personal use, those expenses will be added. Okay, so disallowed expenses will be in the debit side of the profit and loss account, and in the credit side will be the income which are disallowed but still credited in the profit and loss account. Now see here, first is salary 1,15,000. Okay, from this salary here 10,500 is paid for the domestic purpose. That means 10,500 is used for the personal uh, purpose. Okay, so that this salary 10,500 will be disallowed expense. Now first, as per the format, write net profit as per P&L account. So what is the net profit? 1,74,500. 1,74,750. Okay, 1,74,750 is the net profit. From that, add the disallowed expenses. first will be the salary. Now 10,500 is used for domestic purpose. So write 10,500. After that, interest on loan. Now interest on loans here, the bank loan is taken for business purpose. So this is not a disallowed expense. Now advertisement. Advertisement total is how much? 6,000 rupees. Here there is adjustment on advertisement. Now advertisement includes 3,500 as expenses for personal household purpose, for selling as expenses for selling household purpose. Okay, so 3,500 is used for personal purpose, that's why it is disallowed expenses. 3,500. Next, RDD 6,000. RDD is also used for personal expenses. So RDD 6,000, this is disallowed expense. Fire insurance 5,000 is related to business. Wealth tax is also personal, that is 25,000. So disallowed expense is wealth tax. Office expense is related to business. Income tax provision is related to personal. So 6,000 is disallowed expenses. Now depreciation, we have adjustment, we'll solve it later. Okay, so now add all this thing, the total. So the total of all this is 51,000. Now add net profit and the total of disallowed expenses, we get 2,25,750. From this we have to less the income which is disallowed but credited to P&L account. Now gross profit is related to business. Interest on bank deposit, so this is personal, so less interest on bank deposit 6,000. Then sundry receipt 18,000 is related to business. Gift from mother 60,000 is not related to business, it is related to personal income. Gift from mother 60,000. Now depreciation, see, depreciation how much is allowed by income tax rule? 56,250. Okay, and actual depreciation is 40,000. So how much is allowed? 56,250 less 40,000, remaining 16,250. Okay, now less all this amount from the total of the above. Okay, so 2,25,750 minus 6,000 minus 60,000 minus 16,250, we get 1,43,500. So 1,43,500 is our income from business. Okay, so in this way you have to compute the income from business. I hope you have understood this example. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share the video, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notification.